Welcome to a beautiful fall weekend at Roaring River State Park, where we take in some wonderful fall colors, and just a few miles up the road we go check out the Exeter Corn Maze. The Roaring River Park store is here with all your camping needs, as well as all the gear that you would need for the highlight of the park, which is the trout fishing. And check out the origin of this river right here at the Roaring River Spring. There are several beautiful hikes in the area, one of which is the Deer Lead Trail, which takes you to a beautiful overlook where you can see the trout hatcheries. Our camping neighbor was in the Halloween spirit and got us all fired up to go to Exeter and see the haunted houses in Corn Maze.
If you want to have a picture with me, you can. Okay, it's $5.
And during the fall, don't miss the Exeter Corn Maze with multiple haunted houses, corn mazes, and much more. The highlight of the event is the Zombie Paintball.
On the inside, here comes Handler bringing it through. Here's Pagels taking over, Jimmy D in the middle. Pagels going to win this, it looks like, by 2 hog lengths as well. Pagels pulls that one off.
Thanks for checking out our camping trip to Roaring River State Park and our visit to Exeter Corn Maze. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.